Before we start problem 8b, let's go ahead and review the steps for elimination. Step 1 is we're going to add or subtract our equations in order to eliminate a variable. And what we're looking for here is if we see things that are opposites, we'll add our equations. If we see things that are the same, we'll subtract them. Then we'll solve what we get after we add or subtract. We'll plug in the answer we get to find our second half of our answer. And then we'll write our ordered pair as an x comma y. Alright, problem 8b, we've got 3x plus 4y equals 18, negative 2x plus 4y equals 8. So, as we look for things that are same or opposite, we've got 3x, negative 2x. Those numbers don't match, so they can't be same or opposite. Here we've got 4y and 4y. Those are exactly the same. So, again, remember, if we've got same, then we're going to subtract. They both start with s, so that's easy to remember. So, when you're subtracting, you could put your negative out front and just draw your line and remember to subtract. But I find that when I get over to the end of the line, I forget that I'm subtracting. So what I like to do instead of doing my negative over here is I go through and I flip every sign in the problem. So this negative 2x becomes a positive, plus 4y changes into minus 4y, and 8 changes into negative 8. And now I can just add, and it'll already show me the signs I need. So we've got 3x plus 2x, that gives me 5x's. 4y, take away 4y, cancels out and gives me 0. And 18, take away 8 is 10. Divide by 5, and we can see that x equals 2. And now we just plug that into either equation. I'll pick the top one. So 3 times 2 plus 4y equals 18. 6 plus 4y equals 18. Subtract 6 on both sides. 4y equals 12. And divide by 4 so we can see that y equals 3. And then we'll just write our answer as x comma y, so 2 comma 3.